How to create a phantom wallet. In this video, I will guide you step by step. Just make sure to watch till the end. First of all, download and install Phantom Wallet app from Google Play Store or from an app store if you are using an iOS. Once installed, open that app. As we are creating a new wallet, tap Create a New Wallet. Here we will choose the second option, Create a Seed Phrase Wallet. These are the 12 words known as recovery phrases and are the only way to recover your wallet. Write them in a notebook or keep them at a safe place with their correct order. Copy to clipboard and press. Okay, I saved it somewhere. Press Yes. Create a unique username for your wallet and press Continue. Get started. And our Phantom Wallet account has been created successfully. And that's it, guys. Found helpful? Make sure to leave a like and do subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.